Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the latest and greatest gadgets and gizmos on the market. Today, we have something special for all you audiophiles out there.
The Definitive Technology BP-9020 Tower Speaker Bundle.
Let's see what this beauty has to offer.
The Definitive Technology BP-9020 Tower Speaker Bundle isn't your average set of speakers.
Nope. These bad boys are packed with features that will take your home theater experience to the next level. First off, let's talk about the design.
Sleek, stylish, and oh so modern, these tower speakers are sure to be a conversation starter in any room.
And with a sturdy cast aluminum base, you can trust that they'll stay put no matter how loud you crank up the volume.
But it's not just about looks, these speakers mean business when it comes to sound quality. With built-in powered 8-inch subwoofers, you'll feel the deep, rich bass in your bones.
And thanks to Definitive's patented bipolar speaker array, you'll experience clear, lifelike audio that fills the entire room.
Connectivity is a breeze with the BP-9020 Tower Speaker Bundle. Whether you're using them for your home theater system or simply want to stream your favorite tunes via Bluetooth, these speakers have you covered.
Plus, with optional Dolby surround sound height elevation,
you can truly immerse yourself in your favorite movies and TV shows.
So, whether you're a hardcore audiophile or simply want to upgrade your home theater setup,
the Definitive Technology BP-9020 Tower Speaker Bundle has everything you need and more.
Trust me, you won't be disappointed.
That's all for today, folks.
Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews on the latest tech gadgets. Until next time, happy listening.